Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a cute little spooky ghost. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Okay, after slip knot we will take 3 chain crochet stitches. 2 and 3. Okay, now we will join the first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, we get a very tiny bit circle by joining first and the last stitch. See, only our needle can pass through this tiny bit circle. Okay, now we will take, first we will just stretch this loop a bit, and we will take half double crochet from inside that loop, from inside that circle. Okay, so this is 1, 2. You can take any number of half double crochets. It is not such, any number is not decided. Take any number of half double crochet stitches. Only while making those half double crochet stitches in a circle, you have to reach till the first one, means it's just near it, no gap is in between both of them. So you have any problem regarding the how to take half double crochet stitch, so you can link is already given in my description. You can just means tutorial link for half double crochet stitch. It's a very easy tutorial, you can understand it very well, and it's quite slow. So link is already given in my description, you can just refer that link. A good explanation is given how to take a half double crochet stitch. Okay, now as you can see, I've got a very small circle. Okay, now I have already reached my first stitch, so I'll join my last and the first stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now again I will stretch this loop a bit. Now in every stitch I will take 2 half double crochet stitches in one single stitch. This is 1 and this is 2 in the same stitch I'm taking. This you have to do for whole round. Take 2 half double crochet stitches in one single stitch. In fact, you can even refer my tutorial video for how to make a circle. In that I have given very slow and very easy explanation. So if you are a beginner, please do refer. Link is already given in description. See, I've done with my second round also. As usual, I will be joining my first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. This currently I am making head of my ghost, spooky ghost, cute spooky ghost. Okay, now comes my third round. Again I'll be doing same 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch. See, I've done with my fourth round also, and I have joined my last and the first half double crochet stitch with the slip stitch. Now I'm going towards my fifth round. So basically I'm taking 5 rounds, and each round my pattern is same. I'll be taking 2 half double crochet stitches in one stitch. Okay, so see, here also I'm doing the same. I'll just complete this round and I'll show you. After this round I will take this is my fifth round, so in total I'll be making 8 rounds. Okay, and in every round I'll be taking I will be making 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch. Okay, so this is my fifth round. I will just make 3 more rounds. I'm making total 8 rounds. Okay, that much head is big enough, and I will show you how to proceed further. I'm done with my 8 rounds, and in every round I have taken 2 half double crochet stitches and single stitch. Same method I followed for all the 8 rounds. Okay, and by end first stitch and the last stitch I have joined with the slip stitch. Okay, this was the head of our ghost. Now we will make his rest of the body. Okay, it's nothing, we will make it like a in kind of bag. It will come down. For that, now I'll be taking nearby 15 rounds, and in every round I'll be taking 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Earlier I have taken 2 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, now for all the 15 rounds my method is going to be same. I'll be taking 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, this is one. See, only one in one stitch, and I'll be making 15 rounds. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. For body part I am taking 15 rounds, and in every round my method is same. 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, and first and last one I'll join with a slip stitch. See, I'm done with my 15 rounds. I have taken 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch, and I have made 15 rounds. It depends on you if you want to make 15 or 20, whatever. So we get the like pouch. Okay, now for this frill part, what we will do, can you see this frill part? Yeah, see this one. Okay, baby part. Here we will be taking at least 5 to 7 rounds, and in each round we are taking 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch. Okay, same method. For frill part we are taking 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch, so we get that frill part of the ghost down. See, this is how our cute little spooky ghost look like for Halloween decorations. And if you like the video, please do like my video, comment, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And those who have already subscribed, thanks a lot, thanks a million. Thanks for watching my video. Please, if you like my video, like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.